Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 8 to the power of 8 minus 88, so we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But here calculator is not allowed in this problem. We will show all of the working here in this paper. Okay, so first we rewrite this expression as this base is 8 and we write 8 as 2 cubed and its whole exponent is 8 minus this is 88. And further we need to use here the exponent law. We know that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, it is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by n. So according to this exponent law, we need to multiply these two exponents and it will be written as 2 to the power of 3 8s are 24 minus this is 88. And now here in the next step, we rewrite this exponent as this is 24. We write it as 2 times of 12 minus 88. And here again we have another exponent law. If you have a to the power of m multiplied by n, we write it as a to the power of m to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, we rewrite this expression as this is 2 to we write this as 2 to the power of 12 and its whole square minus 88. And now further in the next step we have we write this 2 to the power of 12 as here you can easily find the value of 2 to the power of 12. We know that if you have 2 to the power of 1 equals to 2, 2 to the power of 2 equals to 4, 2 to the power of 3 equals to 8, 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16. So now here you need to focus in the right hand side and you see that in order to find the next value we need to multiply the previous value by 2. Okay, so in order to find the 2 to the power of 5, we just multiply 16 by 2 and you get 32, and 2 to the power of 6 equals to, we multiply 32 by 2 becomes 64. 2 to the power of 7 equals to 128, 2 to the power of 8 equals to 256, 2 to the power of 9 equals to 512. So similarly, in the same pattern, we easily get the value of 2 to the power of 12 equals to 4096. Okay, so here we need to replace this 2 to the power of 12 equals to 4096 whole square minus this is 88. So here we break this 4096 as in this form. We rewrite it as 4000 plus 96 and its whole square minus this 88. And here we can apply the nice algebraic formula. You know that if we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, you see here our a is 4000 and our b is 96. So when you can apply this nice formula, we write our above expression as in this form. It will be written as 4000 square plus 96 square plus 2 times of 4000 multiplied by 96 and minus this is our 88. Okay, so here we need to find the square of this 4000 and here you just find the square of 4. So the square of 4 is 16 and here we double these zeros. These are 3 zeros. After taking square it will becomes 6 zeros. Okay, and plus this is 96 square and now here we easily get the square of this 96 and it is equals to 9216 and plus this is 2 times of these multiplied by these two numbers. So here first we multiply 2 times of 4000 equals to 8000 and it is multiplied by 96 and minus this is our 98. So here we need to add these two values here so that we can just replace the last 4 zeros with this number and it will be written as 1600 and the last 4 digits becomes 9216 because these are zeros. When you add here this will number becomes here. Okay, So here we need to multiply this 4-digit number with this 2-digit number. Here we consider this 96 is one number and these are four numbers. So when you multiply this 0 with 96, we will get 0. When you multiply 0 with this again 96, we again get 0. This 0 multiplied by 96 becomes 0, and here you have 8, 6 is 48. We write 8 and carry 4, 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 4 becomes here 76, and this is our minus 88. Okay, so further we need more simplifications, and here we need to sum up these two values here. So here we will apply the traditional method of addition in order to add these two values. So we can add these values here. This is 16009216, and we can add this number with this 000867. So first we add these two numbers. So here you see that this 6 plus 0 equals to 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 8 becomes here 17. We write 7 and carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7, this is 6 and 1. Okay, it means that when we add these two numbers, it is equals to 16777 and it is subtracted by this minus 88. Okay, so here we can just subtract this number with 88, and we can write it here. 16777 is subtracted by 88. Okay, so here you see that 6 is not subtracted with 8. We take common 1 from here, it will become 16, and here we get 0. 16 minus 8 equals to 8. 0 is not subtracted with 8. We take carry 1 from here, this will becomes 10 and this will becomes 1. So 10 minus 8 becomes 2, and this is 1, and this will becomes 7 7 7 and 6 1. So finally we have the required answer of the given question is that 8 to the power of 8 minus 88 is equals to 167777128. This is the our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.